a mosquito net was purchased by Rida Fatima Foundation Sindh to protect the flood victims from malaria. It is a non-profit charitable organization that helps flood victims. Today we will go with him to a village where this mosquito net will be distributed. We are riding two motorbikes, and the whole scene is being recorded while riding the motorbike. We are going to a village called Wali Muhammad Panhwar near Qazi Arif city to help the flood victims. It is a village of Tehsil Mehar district Dadu, Sindh. Located 15 kilometers away from Mehar city. On this way, we also see flood victims who are sitting in huts made of cots. There is still standing water in their villages, so they are still sitting on the roads. Looking at the condition of the flood victims, it can be said that no help has reached them from the government. There was flood water around this village, which has subsided now. But the roads here are still not in good condition. Drainage water has stood on the roads. We are passing through this water. This road is difficult. Finally, we reached the place where mosquito nets will be distributed to the flood victims by Rida Fatima Foundation. There is a sad story here. When the flood water was around the village, the 23-year-old son of this elderly man fell ill. He couldn't be taken to the hospital on time, due to which he died. He said that his son could have been saved if he had received support from the government.
पर ये चाक न थी पियो ने खणी आस में पर उन्हनि जो सेवन काॾे असांखे अहिड़ो पर पैसो खणी सेवन न काॾे पर हिनखे दस्त थी पिया ऐं उल्टी दवा वठी आयासीं हिकिड़ो बदन खाते ॿिए बदन ते हिन कलाक दौरो थी वियो जाम ॿुधारो राति जो शाम जो 8 9 बजे
पोजीशन कीअं आहे असां मच्छर जी पोजीशन ईअं आहे जीअं बिल्कुलु मां उन राति वेठो एॾो हादसो हुयो हले पियो मां चयो जनरेटर हलियो आहे छा ॿुधाईंदो मच्छर जो आहे मच्छर एॾो आहे आसो आहे बाक़ाइदो हुनजो आसो आहे एॾा आवाज़ था अचनि रोकंदा मच्छर एॾो वॾो आहे ऐं अछो आहे बिल्कुलु
Rida Fatima Foundation gave different types of mosquito nets to the flood victims so that they can protect themselves and their children from dangerous disease like malaria. And cash money was also given to the elderly person from whom the incident took place. Now we are using another route on our way back. There has been more destruction on this side. This road was also underwater, but now this road has been cleared. Thanks for watching the video. Next time we will go somewhere else and share with our viewers. If you like the video, then like it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that every video of ours reaches you first.
चंदन